Ukraine has received 20 HIMARS systems, with the first being delivered 1.5 years ago. Since that time, these systems has been used to send thousands of rockets, possibly being responsible for destroying the highest number of Russian systems. Russia put these as their top priority to be destroyed, but month after month no real proof of a single system being destroyed has been shown. As the range and quick shoot and scoot has helped Ukraine avoid getting these destroyed, Russia actually found one system with a surveillance drone now, sending multiple cluster munitions to strike the position, as they lack the precision to strike the hiding spot. While the end result is unknown, this may be the first time they damage or possibly destroy a HIMARS system. However, they aren't really an expensive system at $4 million, leaving 19 systems left, with more being able to be sent, which was the initial thought that a few would be destroyed with time. But as Ukraine exceeded expectation and Russia underperformed, it has at least taken 1.5 years before a single system has been destroyed. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.